ng isang ama ay hindi sa lapad ng kanyang mga balikat. Ito'y nadarama sa higpit ng kanyang yakap. Ang lakas ng isang ama ay hindi sa lagong at lakas ng kanyang boses, kundi sa marahan niyang tinig. Ang lakas ng isang ama ay hindi sa dami ng kanyang mga barkada. Ito'y sa kung paano siya makisama sa kanyang mga anak. Ang lakas ng isang ama ay hindi sa kung paano siya tinitingala ng kanyang mga kaopisina. Ito'y sa kung paano siya ikinagalang sa loob ng tahanan. Ang lakas ng isang ama ay hindi sa kung gaano siya katindi sumuntok. Ito'y sa mapagmahal niyang haplos. Ang lakas ng isang ama ay hindi sa lago ng buhok sa kanyang dibdib. Ito'y sa laki ng puso na pag-ibig ang pintig. Ang lakas ng isang ama ay hindi sa bigat ng kanyang binubuhat. Ito'y sa kabigatang kaya niyang bathin. Ang lakas ng isang ama ay hindi sa dami ng babaeng kanyang pinaibig. Ito'y kung gaano siya katapat, magmahal sa kanyang nag-iisang kabiyak.
There is no power on earth like your Father's love, so big and so strong as your Father's love. A promise that's sacred, a promise from heaven above.
A father is a dad that he can cook for you and make something for you and fix everything and can buy to the supermarket. I want to tell to my daddy that I love him very much. I want to tell him if he brings me to a place like bring music or just play or sometimes I ask to my dad to play. Hi Daddy! Thank you for the love, support and care, and we love you Daddy. God bless. Daddy is a good man and he is strong and he is powerful and he is more stronger than other people and he is the best. And when I say I want a toy, he buys it and he's strong and he has muscles. Even he has big muscles and he is a Superman dad. And he's the most strongest man in the whole world and he is good. And I love him so much. He loves me too and he is hard.
Salamat po sa pag-aalaga sa amin palagi at salamat din po Papa sa pagmamahal sa amin at sa pagsasakripisyo sa amin. Sana po alagaan ka ng Diyos palagi.
Thank you for working hard. My dad is my best friend. Daddy not spank me. I love you. And Father means is my hero. I miss you and I love you.
Thank you, Dad, for all of the sacrifices you make at work and for bringing us on great trips.
Thank you for being the best dad ever and being there for us whenever we needed you the most. Thank you for always being our rooftop and also the love and support you have given to me. I pray as you walk with the Lord and lead us to Him, He will always bless you because of your core support and the love you have given to us. Even though we have our ups and downs, I know that we will surpass it all because of your trust in the Lord and our family. Thank you, Daddy, for everything. I love you.
Du bist mein bester Papa in der ganzen Welt.
Du bist ein sehr toller Vater, hast mir immer geholfen bei den Noten und in der Schule. Du bist ein sehr toller Vater und ich danke dir.
Daddy is a dad. You do everything for you. I love my daddy, and I love so much. And I want to tell to go into the supermarket. Daddy is a good. Daddy is a superman. He's powerful and he's handsome. He buy a toy. He can fly and then he's strong. He has muscles, a big muscles, and then big more big like $100 million. And then now he's powerful, and then he is a superman, and then he's big. He's so much bigger.
Thank you for taking care of us and for teaching me how to pray.
I am so blessed that God gave me a good dad. Thank you for raising me and experience good life with you and Mom. Kahit matigas ang ulo ko, I always still love you. I'll be the best Kuya and make you proud someday, Daddy. Gott liebt dich und ich liebe dich mit meinem Leben. Auf Wiedersehen!
Und Papa ist noch der beste Vater auf die ganze Welt.
Wir haben
Dich lieb für immer. Thank you, Daddy, for buying me a coloring book and making yummy food. My father is sweet. He sometimes he goes with me on trips with Mommy. Also, we play together board games at night.
Just remember what you have done for me, not just recently but the past years, and thank God na He has really molded you to become a father model that I can aspire to become in the future. So thank you for setting a good example and being a role model, although sometimes it's hard to balance family, work, and ministry. But I am blessed to be a recipient of your hard work and your love as well. So thank you for your sacrifice and for your diligence in whatever you do, kahit sa work, kahit sa bahay, pati sa church. Thank you for being consistent with us, and pray that you continue to serve God more, and love you.
We are continually grateful for you being a great dad, and we continue to support us spiritually, physically, and of course mentally, Paul. And we continue to be grateful to be related to you, and that you continue to be a great dad.
Related to you.
Well, it is related.
Okay.
Yeah. You know, it's great, great bloodline.
I'm very grateful to be
to do
with your genes,
to be in the Cleo,
your DNA.
Yeah. Great.
Very proud to be your son.
Thank you.
Happy Father's Day!
alles Gute zum Vatertag, Papa.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. I love you. Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Happy Father's Day po, Papa sa
Vatertag, Papa. Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. I love you so much.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Happy Father's Day.